Withdrawing money from your PayPal account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser or the PayPal app and log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Step 2. Go to your wallet. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section. This is where you can view your PayPal balance and linked bank accounts. Step 3. Select Transfer Funds. In the wallet section, look for the option that says Transfer Funds or Withdraw Funds. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. You will be prompted to select the bank account to which you want to transfer the funds. If you have multiple accounts linked, choose the appropriate one. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw and review the details. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal. After completing these steps, your funds will be processed and should appear in your bank account within a few business days. Always check your bank account to ensure the transfer was successful.